Good. So now let us do a small experiment. Very simple experiment we'll be doing in today. What we can do to go deeper into our own realization. Start first both hands together in Namaste Mudra, because it's a kind of weekend. So I'm not going to go into a very powerful technique, but simple technique. First Namaste. Express your gratitude. Bring your both the thumbs together very close to your heart, relaxing yourself, maintaining your more in-depth awareness. And now start rubbing your palms. Rubbing the palms means negative and positive, both Shakti flow. Realizing the flow. Continue rubbing, waking up, waking up. Deep awakening till you feel the fire in your palms. Continue rubbing, very special rubbing, powerful rubbing. Continue, more special power, divine power. Continue the power. It's so good power. It's a very powerful technique. One can really go deep into it. All the fingers rubbing together. Very good. Fingers, thumbs together. Sometimes your fingers are also crossing in between each other. We are trying to bring some new energy, new power, new Shakti in our palms, in our hands. Especially in the North Hemisphere, there is a winter season all over the world. So we are trying to generate the heat and power. Waking up. And now, very gently, what you are supposed to do, you bring these all four fingers like this. Look at me, like this here. All fingers like this on your temples and thumbs closing your ear. Thumbs close your ear and fingers here. And make yourself relaxed. Very gently, all the fingertips touching your temples, eyes closed, just stay here, thumbs completely closing your ears. Relax your face, relax your eyes, relax your shoulders, and stay here. There are some powerful master gland, higher glands are flowing into your system. With these fingers on your temples, some energy, electrical power flow can be experienced in due course, but you just stay there, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your elbows. Don't make your body tight. Let the elbows hang. Don't take support of anything. But remain there in your head. Entire awareness in your head. Sometime you may feel that body may start swinging. You may help your body swinging. Let body have a little swinging. You give little support and it may start moving. Initially you may do it, but later on it may start happening. Very gentle swinging of the body. Stay there with closed ear and start feeling in-depth energy, higher energy. Temples are the place of divine abode, divinity. Temple is the place for God, Goddess, divineness, divinity. Let it be there. Let it have its own movements, own Shakti. Stay there. Stay there. All fingertips are touching your temples. Thumbs are closing your ear, and let this movement continue flow. continue flow of Shakti. Let that Shakti continue flowing. Continue flowing the Shakti. Allow the Shakti flow. Allow the Shakti flow. Feel the Shakti flow. It is happening. Very profound way, let it happen. Continue happening. Inner awareness, inner awakening. Feel that Shakti deep inside. It is the divine Shakti. You are doing nothing, it is happening. Let it happen. No control, no need to control. Let the Shakti flow. It is the power within you. It is the Shakti within you. It is feeling, it is flowing, it is working. Let it work. You are absolutely doing nothing. Let this divine power purify you. Let this divine Shakti purify you. Continue, continue, let it flow. Big flow, big Shakti. Very powerful Shakti. It is rising, it is awakening, it is working. Let it work. Continue, continue, continue. Big power, big power, big Shakti. Feel the Shakti, see the Shakti, realize the Shakti. Witness the Shakti. And that Shakti is eternal. That Shakti is powerful. Very good. Continue. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Very special. Shakti flow. Not controlling. You need not to control it. Allow it to flow. It is flowing deep inside. Continue awareness, continue awakening inside. Continue awakening inside. Let it flow. This is a very powerful technique to invoke your inner Shakti, your divine Shakti, which is going to bless us. All the sufferings, all the sorrow, let them go. Let go, let go, let go. It is a very, very powerful, very powerful, very powerful. Witness the happening, see the happening, beautiful happening. Very good. No control, no control. Continue, continue. Very nice, very nice. Very good. It is feeling, it is flowing, it is powerful, it is divine. Let it happen. Constantly, constantly, continuously it is happening. Very good. Full of gratitude, full of thankfulness. Very good. Continue, continue. Surrender to the divine Shakti. Surrender. Effortless surrender. Choiceless surrender. Continue. Very good. Very nice. Feel the Shakti. Feel the flow. See the Shakti. See the flow. It is expressing. It is flowing. It is happening. No need to suppress, no need to control, no need to repress. Let it happen. Let it happen. Very special, very powerful, divine, blissful. बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Very nice. And now slowly, slowly, we will be expressing the gratitude, because when the divine Shakti come and bless us, let us all bring our hands together in Namaste Mudra near our heart. Very good. Thumbs are closer to our heart. Heart is the abode of divine love, and we express our profound thankfulness. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And slowly, slowly, very gently, express your thankfulness, express your gratitude. It is happening. And gently rub your palms. And slowly, slowly cover your face. And slowly, slowly, very gently, please come back. By rubbing your face, please come back and gently, full of gratitude, may open your eyes. What was happening? You all were in somewhere. So what was happening? Anybody, please. Yes. Go ahead.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
There was like stars, 2 stars in front of eyes. Amazing it was. Isn't it? Nothing else. I don't know what I'm feeling or what is happening. I just saw 2 stars and beautiful.
Very good. Very good. Anybody else?
Sometimes it was like a crescent moon. I don't know.
बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Let us see. Yes.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
Yes. The energy was so powerful here, like going down, and I just after maybe I was jumping. That was it. That's
I could see many of you were having lot of Shakti awakening, Kundalini Shakti awakening, chakras awakening. See, whenever we are present, Shakti awakens. It rises up. I said before, from our heart chakra, when Shakti rises up, it connects with the higher. That is what Yam also said in Kathopanishad just now, that when you are leaving this body from the higher chakra, you are liberated. When our energy is below, going towards the connectivities, mundane world, desires, as two things, Shreya and prayer was the thing guided by Yam. So whatever is Shreya, people don't go there easily. Whatever is good, people may not go there. Whatever is prayer, pleasant, people will go there. Watching movie is more easy than going deep into study of the science of enlightenment. They are more interested in watching a movie that is comfortable, pleasant and giving you temporary pleasure. So Shreya and prayer. So when you are going into Shreya, you reach higher, your Shakti rises up. So I was seeing most of you that your Shakti was so powerful, it is waking up, awakening. So these things are really good for you to move forward on this path. Anyone else, anybody else want to say anything? Please go ahead. Yeah, Ma Muskan Anand.
Hariom.
Hariom.
I didn't feel the Shakti, but maybe you saw that my body was just going forward and I saw a lot of green lights and I was just like this, very, very good, like I was sleeping and I was,
But green
and I
light,
felt very good.
green light is very good that Shakti rises up. But your partner was having lot of Shakti. Ask her what was happening to her. Let her say something. Yes, what was happening to her?
I didn't speak, but it was some air getting out of the mouth, but like in Ujjayi, but more. The way it went out, and now I don't feel it. But after all the round, it was burning, and also I moved like also the legs and stuff.
Lot of Shakti was there, huh? Very good. These are something rising up, making you lighter. Very good. Anybody else want to say anything? Bahut acha, very good. Ma Bhakti, you want to say something?
Guruji, we can't explain anything in words. It's a amazing thing. And we were like our physical body is like stop, and then in our inside the body, what's happening, it's can't explain.
Bahut acha. That is what Yam has said, that you cannot explain about Atma. You cannot explain about your true self, because that is beyond words, that is beyond your intellect, that is beyond senses. That is what happens when you realize your inner self. So today in Kathopanishad, so powerful things are given, and these things are to be practiced and realized. Whatever is said there, one need to walk on that path. So Nachiketa liberated, even at the age of 5, he received the great knowledge of Brahma Vidya, the supreme yoga, and he liberated. That is what is the great achievement by 5 years child. If 5 years child can do it, why can't we? We all are also intelligent, we all have buddhi, we all have wisdom, so we can just understand through buddhi and wisdom, like the example of chariot and the driver and the honor and the horses, the senses. These are all the things which are guiding us how we can master and continue our path, our goal to move forward. So all the best to everybody. Enjoy your further moments. Enjoy your life. All the best and blessings. Hari Om.
Guruji,
Yes, please.
can I ask a question? We would like to know if you know when foreigners could come to India.
Yeah, these are the now government's questions. Now, whenever government will allow, we are here to wait. We are waiting for their green signals. So once these vaccines and all these things will be on place, so you are always welcome to come.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Welcome, welcome. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Guruji.
Hari Om.